gonna touch it to see if I smell chemical. I smell it. So now we're in. We're spraying everything. We're gonna coat. I'm gonna do half and half. No, I'm not. So we gotta let it go out. Everything with chemical.